Okay, here we are with question 8 off the Core 2 paper of June 2007. We've got a log E flavoured equation we've got to start with, and we've got to find out what n is. And this is the classic pattern of log of n is a log plus another log. And what you should know by now that you're aiming for is that you're trying to get log to the base a of n equals log to the base a of something in a bracket. So you use a law of logs to compress the two logs into a single one. So your laws of logs are on one of your learning sheets. Log plus a log, do what it says on the tin to get what's in there. And then your next line is going to be, if log to the n of something is log to the base a of n is log to the base a of the bracket, then n is going to equal that bracket, and that will have n's in it as well, but you'll have an equation that you have to solve in terms of n, and it's a Mickey Mouse GCSE equation, so you shouldn't need help from me. So that was 8a. 8b, we've now got log to the base a of x equals 3, log to the base a of y minus some other garbage equals 4. We've got to get x in terms of a, that should be the easy bit, and then xy in terms of a, we're going to have to deal with that one as well. First one, starting from log to the base a of x equals 3, and we're going to want this x out from inside the log, and that's a classic application of your knowledge. You should know that 2 to the power 3 equals 8 turns into a log statement. What log statement is it? Log to the base of some number of something equals some answer. That's the basic understanding of what logs are about. I really don't want you to wait for me to do that. I want you to remember what or look up what that is and learn it. But once you know how to juggle around these three things here, that one, and that one, what you do is you juggle around your a, your x, and your 3 in exactly the same order, and out drops x in terms of the other two things. Now for xy in terms of a, we've got what x is in terms of a, so really we've just got to deal with the other one. Log to the base a of y minus 3 log to the base a of 2 equals 4. And we've really got to get the y out of that. And it's the same idea as the top one, but really you want to have log to the base a of y equals, well, you're going to have 3 log to the base a of 2 plus the 4. But now you've got a bit more work to do to turn this one into log to the base a of something, but there is a law of logs that will do that one for you. And one way, you want the 4 to be log to the base a of something as well. And this bit here is possibly the trickiest bit. But my hint on that part would be, if you say 4 equals log to the base a of question mark, and you want to know what the question mark is, you just do this bit all over again. You start with a log statement, so you've got your 2's and your 3's and your 8's, and you just rearrange it to the power form, and that will tell you what the power is. Sorry, what the question mark is. So you can therefore use that to say, okay, now I know what question mark is, I can write that 4 as a log, and then you've got a log plus a log, just like you did in the first part of the question, back up there somewhere. Okay, and a log plus a log you can do with the law of logs, so you can get log, log to the base a of y equals a log plus another log, which is log to the base a of one big bracket, and then you're going to get that y equals the bracket, log of y equals log of the bracket, so y just equals the bracket, and then you're going to be able to say what x, y is. And yeah, I think if you look at the model answers, then that will just fill in the gaps. But if you needed this and you needed the model answers, you probably ought to try this question on your own, having sorted it out once. Okay.